We take a trip this month to see the Kansas City Southern Railway's Hot Springs Division on an HO scale layout built by Muff. Visitors arriving to see the layout will descend a staircase under neon signage promising the way to trains, and the trains do not disappoint. Included on the DVD is an interview with Nick about the E7 locomotive cab that he restored to represent KCS number 20.
Also included on the DVD is a tour of the Pullman lounge car that Nick constructed in the layout room. We catch the F7A from the other side of the Sheffield Steelworks plant in the Blue Valley and watch it pass through Sheffield Junction.
The second layout on this month's DVD is Stephen Shore's Pacific Shores Railroad, a freelanced layout based on the Northern Pacific. The Pacific Shores Railroad is also in HO scale and is based in the Pacific Northwest.
A Northern Pacific through train headed by number 910 and RS-11 flies through East Seward.
To get your copy, follow the link below.